Hey y'all, how's it going? How's it going? I hope y'all been having a great week so far. Tonight, Kenzo and I, right? You cooking tonight? You can cook with me? Yeah? Yeah? Anyway, tonight, we're gonna make the ultimate seasoned wings. So we're gonna use a whole lot of spice in terms of seasonings, not spicy in terms of heat. So we're gonna use a few blends of seasonings. However, we won't be using no salt because we don't want no salty wings at the end of the day. We want some nice flavorful seasoned wings, all right? I tend not to use a lot of salt either way when it comes to seasoning meats because I love the natural flavors of the blends. You know, you get to enjoy the seasoning blends a bit more as well, okay? So anyway, let's get to it. Some of the seasonings though that I'm gonna use is an all-purpose seasoning, of course. Vamos a usar el adobo, no podemos olvidar del adobo. Of course, adobo seasoning. And these next two seasonings, I honestly been looking for them around Toronto for a pretty good minute now, and usually they'll have them in certain stores, you know, or in certain Caribbean stores or whatnot, but I just been having a hard time finding them. So of course I had to go and rely on Old Faithful Amazon, you know, to have these seasonings delivered to me. So one of them is of course Slap Your Ma. This is a Cajun seasoning which I'm gonna use with the wings. See it there. And then the second seasoning is a Creole seasoning. Some of these seasonings may even be familiar to y'all because I'm sure y'all use some of these, but these are probably, I love the blend that the Creole seasoning and the Slap Your Ma have. So we're gonna use those along with some paprika. Can't forget the paprika needs some little smoky flavor and some color to your chicken. So yeah, so let's start seasoning. We gonna start seasoning, buddy? Yeah? Yeah? He's hungry. I know he can't wait. But anyway, before we start seasoning our wings, we can't eat no dirty wings, so we gotta, you know, clean them a bit, right? So I usually can't clean my wings or meat in general with, of course, water, salt, vinegar, some lime sometimes if you have. So, but water and salt will do just fine. No, sit. The wings ain't even out the package yet, and here already trying to crawl out of his bed. Like, he ain't even waiting for us to season the meat. Like, what's the point, buddy? What's the point? What's the point? Anyway, he enjoys being up here actually, because every time, like, if I'm up here doing stuff, you see his little sad face down there looking at me like, you know, I want to be up there with you, I want some food or something, you know. But I usually just keep him in his bed because that's his home, you know. He loves laying in it sometimes, except for like if I go to sleep, he sleeps with me in the bed because he does not like sleeping alone, or, you know, he's a very affectionate dog, okay? Like, he has like a whole personality. Like, we just need to make a YouTube channel just for you, huh? Yeah? But let's just give him a little high. Hey. Cool. But I know I've been saying this for a minute now, but okay, let's actually start seasoning these wings. Okay, before we season them though, like, just look, like, why does he have one arm out? Like, he's too damn bougie. Kenzo, yeah, we talking about you. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, what's up? I just cracked myself up with my dog. Okay, so let's wash up these wings. Throw them in here. Honestly, you can't really go wrong with wings. I love eating wings. I don't know about y'all. Gonna add some water in here. Now we're gonna add a whole lot of salt to clean this chicken. That's the only exception that I'm using a lot of salt, by the way, is to just make sure these wings nice and clean. Alright. And we can just like wash. Oh, I forgot the lime. You gotta add some lime as well. You don't have to, but I usually do because it just means this means cleaner wings. Boom. Alright, now we're gonna wash up these wings and we can let it sit in here for at least like 10 to 15 minutes. I'll usually let the wings just soak up in this water with the salt and lime. You just wanna let it soak up. Make sure it's nice and clean for you to eat. Alright. Okay, so now we're gonna season up the wings. I usually add some olive oil, of course, to all my meats before seasoning, just to soak up some moisture. Just do that a bit. Now we're gonna add first a bit of the all-purpose seasoning, which is this here. Add a bit of that. What's up, buddy? Why are you barking? Okay. Now we're gonna add some of the Goya, el adobo. Tenemos que poner el adobo. Okay, add some adobo in there. Awesome. Now we're gonna add some paprika. Some paprika in there. Oh, and he jumped off the kitchen table. Okay, add some paprika. Now, we're gonna add some of slap your ma in here, the Cajun seasoning. So we're gonna add some of that because I am excited. Okay. Now we're gonna add some of the Creole seasoning. There's the Creole seasoning. Yeah, by Tony's. Season some of that. Boom, boom, boom. They're actually almost like the blend looks similar, to be honest, with between the Creole seasoning and the slap your ma. But anyway, now let's get these going. How these don't already look nice and seasoned. And even this, that's just the first layer. Shoes, we still gotta do the little touch-ups on the part that didn't catch no seasoning. Oh, ooh, whoa. Let me stop it before I drop this chicken. Anyway, it seemed decently seasoned for now, but we're just gonna add a bit more seasoning. Again, this ain't adding too much salt or anything because these are natural blends, so it won't be salty. So we're gonna add a bit more of the Cajun, just for a little spice, you know. Can't forget the spice. Add a bit more of the Creole, you know, and a bit more of the adobo. All right, you know what? Why not add a bit more of the paprika? People can do that. Why not? Just look at that. Look at that. Part two, getting all you know, you want all them wings covered with the season. You know, just a little pieces here. Just yeah. Oh, got some seasoning splashing. All right. Awesome. All right, now that the wings are all seasoned up, we're gonna throw them in the oven. Like, we're gonna throw them in the air fryer because it's gonna cook way faster, gonna taste way better, and gonna be nice and crispy in the air fryer. So we're gonna throw it in the air fryer. We ain't got no time to throw these in the oven at the moment because me and Kenzo, where you is? Anyway, he's down there eating his food while I'm here trying to make me some food, so he got it good. Anyway, pretty hungry, so these go in the air fryer. And I'm sure you all love air fryers as well, making your wings in the air fryer. So yeah, so I would show these in the air fryer, right? All right, I'm gonna toss the rings in the air fryer. Shake that up. All right. Do 400, nice and crispy. And 15 minutes. We'll do 15 minutes and then, yeah. Alright, so the wings are done, so let's give these a try. Pretty hot though. Wow. These are well seasoned. It's not salty. However, you can still taste salt because I'm sure the seasonings have some type of salt in it, which is good. But if I had add salt, these would have been salty. But they're nice seasoned. They are nicely seasoned, and I am proud of how they turned out. This is like a real quick fix up, to be honest. A quick when you don't feel like really going too deep into cooking, just get some wings, season it up, and throw them in the air fryer. Not the oven, the air fryer. Because you see how crispy these are? Like, just look. Look how crispy that is. Actually, bring it closer. Look how crispy this chicken is. Can you see the crispiness? Can you see the crispiness of this chicken? And all the seasons on it. Just some good wings. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That'll be greatly appreciated. I am dedicating myself to release content every week for y'all, and again, I'm excited for this journey from since I started my YouTube channel about, it's been like a month and a half now, and I think I've been releasing videos every week, and I'm looking forward to stay consistent, and looking forward to be cooking all the dishes for y'all, and for me too, because I gotta eat. But anyway, until next time, which will probably be sometime next week, I'll see y'all, alright? Have a seasoned evening.